Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to be replacing the rear turn signals on my 7th gen Nissan Maxima, the 2011. So about a month ago, the driver's side turn signal blew out. I realized when I had hyper flash, so I didn't have another one, so I just put a halogen back in there. So I ordered those 4 years ago from my other partners, Oxito, but today we are going to be popping in the Lasfit. So I got the T3 series, and I got two of them because one of you guys that are subscribed to the channel, I haven't done a giveaway in a while, will be getting a pair for free. All the rules and everything to get your free pair of LEDs from my partners over at Lasfit. If you head on over to www.lasfit.com and use promo code SPMM10, you get 10% off your order. And like I said, one of you guys will be getting one for free. So one's going in my car, the other one is going to go to one of you guys. And I got a couple other giveaways that's going to be coming. I also got one that I'll be giving away from my partners from Oxito, so stay tuned for that video. So all you're going to need is a 8 mil, and a prize wheel. That's it. So let's get to it. So we're going to start removing all the grommet. So this one is a cargo net grommet. So you pull out the first latch first, and then pull out the second. Then we're going to move this grommet. Now we're going to remove this one right here. Remove. We're going to pull up on here. So once you pull up, you got the trunk cover sitting on top of the bottom portion. So let's remove that. And then you can remove this whole panel. And then that will expose another grommet. So we're going to remove that. And then we're going to move the mat, cargo mat. And we're going to pull this back. There's one more grommet right here. I forgot about that one. So get the camera out of the way so I can move the mat. Alright, unfortunately my tripod is too tall and too narrow of a space, so what you want to do is pull these forward, and then it's an 8 mil, so we're going to move those two. Alright, so the part number for this one is T37443A. So we're going to open these up. Take them out, and that's how they look. And we're going to take out the tail light, and then this is the turn signal right here. So pop that out, and then we're going to put the new one in. These aren't reverse polarity, so if it doesn't work one way, flip it around to the other side. Alright, so let's see if it works. I mean, we gotta flip it. There we go. And you can see there's no hyper flashing. check the other one. Alright. So now we just gotta put everything back together. 8mm nuts back on. Alright, and that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one. Peace.